medieval TI. And if you're looking for a rose gold Apple Watch band, then I recommend you to try the Secbolt Apple Watch band, which is this one that I'm wearing. I am in love with this band. This was a gift from my husband and I really love it. The dimensions of this one is the size is the 38, 40 and 41 millimeters, but it looks a little bit shorter just because I have to cut it. It's easy to remove those things in here, just measure length. My wrist is very thin, so that's why. But I really love how this looks. I especially use these when I have a formal event that this color is going to match with what I'm wearing. And I've been wearing this Apple Watch for a few years now and it's still good. It's not like, it doesn't look old at all. It's very nice. So if you're looking for a band like this for your Apple Watch, I definitely recommend you to try this one. But this is just my point of view.